The present perfect tense. The present perfect is formed from the present tense of the verb have and the past participle of a verb. We use the present perfect for something that started in the past and continues in the present. They've been married for nearly 50 years. She has lived in Liverpool all her life. When we are talking about our experience up to the present, I've seen that film before. I've played the guitar ever since I was a teenager. He has written 3 books and he is working on another one. We often use the adverb ever to talk about experience up to the present. My last birthday was the worst day I have ever had. And we use never for the negative form. Have you ever met George? Yes, but I've never met his wife. See you in another video soon.